How to keep your legs strong and healthy as you age. Have you noticed that your legs just don't have the same energy they used to? Maybe climbing stairs feels like a bigger task than it once did, or standing up from a chair requires a bit more effort. This is something that happens to many people as they get older. However, it's not something you simply have to accept. While feeling weaker in your legs is common, it's not an inevitable part of aging. The good news is that you can take control and rebuild leg strength, improve balance, and maintain independence through something as simple as the right nutrition. Today, we're diving into why our legs often feel the effects of aging first, and more importantly, what you can do about it. We'll explore 3 specific food groups that can help seniors keep their legs strong and improve overall muscle function. These aren't expensive supplements or complicated diets, just practical, everyday foods that can make a real difference in your leg strength and mobility. If you're ready to learn how to keep your legs strong and your body active, make sure to stick with us until the end, as the third food group we discuss offers more than just muscle-building benefits. So, grab a seat, and let's explore how you can keep your legs strong as you age. Understanding the challenge. Why our legs weakening matters. To understand why our legs weaken as we age, we first need to recognize the biological process behind it. The main reason behind this decline in leg strength is something called sarcopenia. This is a condition that refers to the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that naturally occurs as we age. The process typically starts around the age of 40, but it speeds up significantly after we hit 60 or 65. Sarcopenia doesn't just affect our legs, it affects our entire body. However, our legs tend to bear the brunt of it for several key reasons. First, the muscles in our legs, such as the thighs, calves, and glutes, are the largest in the body. They contain a lot of muscle mass, which means there's more muscle to lose. Second, your leg muscles are constantly at work. Every time you stand up, walk, climb stairs, or even just stand still, your legs are supporting your body weight against gravity. This constant activity means that your leg muscles are under the most strain and experience the most wear and tear over time. Just like the tires on a car that's frequently driven, the more your legs are used, the more quickly they can show signs of aging. Over time, the effects of sarcopenia become more noticeable. You might find yourself walking more slowly, struggling to get up from chairs, or even needing extra support when climbing stairs. All of this can eventually lead to a significant loss of balance and independence. But there's a critical point here: weak legs aren't just a minor inconvenience. They significantly increase the risk of falls, which are one of the leading causes of serious injuries for seniors. The good news is that while this process is natural, it isn't something you have to live with. Leg weakness can be slowed down, and in many cases, muscle strength can even be regained. The key to this is good nutrition, combined with regular, gentle exercises. Let's take a look at the powerful foods that can help you regain and maintain strong legs. Solution 1. Building strong muscles and bones with dairy. Our first food group for keeping legs strong is dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. These are essential building blocks that provide your legs with what they need to stay strong. Let's break it down. Why dairy? Dairy products offer 2 crucial elements: protein and calcium. These work together to keep your legs strong and your bones intact. The power of protein. Protein is a fundamental nutrient for repairing muscles. Every time you move, your muscles undergo tiny tears that need to be repaired for growth. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, meaning we may need more of it just to maintain muscle mass. Dairy, especially Greek yogurt, is a powerhouse of protein, offering a complete range of amino acids, the building blocks that your muscles need. Calcium for strong bones. In addition to protein, dairy provides calcium, which is essential for maintaining bone strength. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing calcium, leading to a decrease in bone density. This can increase the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, making bones more fragile. Weak bones combined with weak muscles are a recipe for falls and injuries. The combination of protein and calcium in dairy products works synergistically to build strong muscles around strong bones, making dairy a great food choice for seniors. How to add dairy to your diet? Start your day with a glass of milk or add it to your morning coffee or oatmeal. Have a bowl of Greek yogurt with fruit and a sprinkle of nuts for a healthy breakfast or snack. Add a slice of cheese to your sandwich or sprinkle some grated cheese on your salad or soup. If you're lactose intolerant, there are lactose-free milk and yogurt options, or plant-based milks like almond or soy milk, which are often fortified with calcium and vitamin D. A success story: I know a lovely woman named Betty, who started feeling a bit unsteady on stairs. Her doctor recommended increasing her protein and calcium intake. Betty began having Greek yogurt every morning and a glass of fortified milk each day. After just a few months, she noticed a marked improvement. Climbing stairs became easier, and she felt much steadier on her daily walks. Solution 2. The anti-inflammatory power of fatty fish. Next on the list is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. These fish aren't just delicious, they're also packed with key nutrients that support your aging muscles and joints. Omega-3 fatty acids. The natural anti-inflammatory fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. As we age, we tend to experience more chronic low-grade inflammation in our bodies. This inflammation can lead to muscle stiffness, joint pain, like arthritis, and even accelerate muscle breakdown. Omega-3s work as natural anti-inflammatories, helping to soothe these aches and pains while protecting muscle tissue. Not only do omega-3s reduce inflammation, but they also improve muscle protein sensitivity. This means that your muscles can respond better to the protein you eat, helping with muscle repair and growth. Vitamin D for muscle function. Fatty fish are also one of the best food sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that's crucial for both bone and muscle health. Vitamin D helps muscles contract properly and plays an important role in muscle function. Unfortunately, many seniors suffer from a vitamin D deficiency, which can contribute to muscle weakness. How to add fatty fish to your diet? Aim for at least 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week. Try grilled or baked salmon with herbs for a flavorful meal. Make a tuna salad with avocado or plain yogurt instead of mayonnaise. Sardines on whole grain crackers make for a quick, healthy snack. If you don't like fish, you can also get omega-3s from plant sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, though the type of omega-3s they provide is different. Fish oil supplements are also available but should be used with caution, especially if you're on blood thinners. A success story: a gentleman I know was suffering from knee stiffness that made his morning walks uncomfortable. He started eating salmon twice a week and, after about a month, noticed a significant reduction in stiffness. His walks became much more comfortable, and he felt better overall. Solution 3. Leafy greens for muscle and circulation. The third food group that can help keep your legs strong and functional is leafy greens. These include spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, and arugula. We often think of leafy greens as a general health food, but they're particularly beneficial for leg strength. Nitrates and nitric oxide. Leafy greens are packed with nitrates, which are converted by the body into nitric oxide. This helps to relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles, helping them perform better and recover more quickly. As we age, circulation can decrease, but eating leafy greens can help prevent this. Magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K. In addition to nitrates, leafy greens are rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 essential minerals for muscle function. These electrolytes help with proper muscle contraction and nerve function. If you've ever experienced painful leg cramps, especially at night, it's often a sign of low magnesium or potassium levels. Leafy greens also provide vitamin K, which supports bone health and works alongside calcium and vitamin D. How to add leafy greens to your diet? Add a handful of spinach or kale to your morning smoothie. Toss leafy greens into your salads or soups. Sauté kale or chard with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. A success story: a woman I know used to suffer from painful leg cramps every night. After incorporating a green smoothie made with spinach into her morning routine, she noticed a significant decrease in cramps after just a few weeks. Wrapping up, empowering seniors with food. We've covered 3 powerful food groups that can help you maintain strong legs as you age. Dairy products provide protein and calcium for muscle and bone strength. Fatty fish offer omega-3s and vitamin D for anti-inflammatory support and muscle function. And leafy greens provide nitrates, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K to keep your muscles working smoothly. The key takeaway here is that sarcopenia and leg weakness don't have to be inevitable. With a focused, nutritious approach, you can protect and even rebuild your leg strength. Of course, combining good nutrition with gentle, regular exercise will offer the best results. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with friends or family who may benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice on healthy, active aging. Which of these 3 food groups will you add more of to your diet this week? Let us know in the comments, and thank you for watching. Stay strong, and take care of those legs.